Hey everyone, welcome to Andy Tech Home. Are you new to using Microsoft Word or having trouble launching it on your computer? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll be showing you how to launch MS Word on your Windows 10 computer. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. First, make sure you have Microsoft Word installed on your computer. If you don't have it, you can download it from the Microsoft website or click on the link in the description below. To launch MS Word or Microsoft Word, you first click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. A pop-up menu will appear. You click on All Apps or All Programs. You scroll down till you see a Microsoft Office folder, then you click on it. From the list of options, you choose MS Word. After it has been launched for you, you click on Blank Document. And that's it for today's video. I hope this video helped you learn how to launch Microsoft Word on your Windows computer. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.